Welcome to the Ignite Business and Marketing Workshop. Devised and presented by Stephen C. Campbell. Grab the chance for your business to benefit from the exact strategies Stephen has used personally whilst consulting for companies such as Genworth Financial, Swatch Group, Stanley Black & Decker, and Procter & Gamble, to name but a few. Oh, and as for the 4 pillars of digital marketing, we will be looking at search engine marketing, keyword research and related topics around what you need to do to ensure users find your products and services through search, branding, and the fundamentals of developing and expanding the equity of the brand through awareness and associations. Next we will take a look at social media marketing and how we can, through starting and joining conversations, bring customers into the marketing funnel. And finally we will consider content leverage and how to use storytelling to deliver the core value proposition of the company through to the end user marketplace. So, why not take some time out to work on your business, as opposed to in your business, in a relaxed classroom-styled environment with Stephen as your instructor? Maybe you have some questions. If so, just get in touch.